Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2022 Case IH 4412F folding chopping corn head. I'm here in Rochelle, Illinois, and this is a very nice looking machine. The blades are the knives on the Stompers are in excellent shape. I'm going to fire it up here and have Robert there turn it on. Hopefully you hear it operate. This set up 24, so I think it's going back to 2 close it back up, get it into transport position. 1,000 spline to of course. Everything works the way it's supposed to. It's got stock stompers. They're pulled off, but I think we got them wrong. Not your typical 4412 valve that's been over 20,000 acres. This thing is, I would guess it's been over, I think it's 1,500 a year. I'd be surprised. I'm sure those are original knives. Auger looks nice, hinges are nice. That's in its fold, and so we'll unfold it back to the original position. Poly is excellent on it, and not broken up. Nothing wrong. Augers are good. That front hood is stained up. That's the way it ought to operate. Thanks for watching the video.